Everyone! So you're probably tired of seeing masks and you see them inside, but I want to share a tip with you. I'm going to take it off. Hopefully you can hear me. So this is a tip I learned actually from some of my oil family members. They shared in a class and they reshared it again, and I realized I really need to share it with all of you. So your mask, right? We are wearing those in public. We're trying to be taking care of each other and ourselves, and really taking care of each other. But one of the things I wanted to show you is a tip I learned. So if you got your On Guard sanitizing mist, okay, take your mask and you're gonna spray the inside like so. I do 2 squirts, and then I kind of let it air dry a little bit, push it around. Oh, I love the smell. So that's what I do before I go into the store, or maybe even after I go in, but I tend to do that before I go in somewhere, and then I put it on. Like so. And I love the smell of it afterwards, and I know the On Guard is supporting my immune system, that sort of thing, but I've actually found I enjoy wearing it a little bit longer. A lot of us don't enjoy wearing them, but I noticed I enjoy wearing them. So this is if you have a cloth one. All you do is spray. It was super simple, right? So hopefully all of you have your On Guard sanitizing mist. If you don't, be sure to get yours. If you have any questions or would like to get one, be sure to reach out to myself or the doTERRA person that invited you here, and we'd be happy to help you with that. So speaking of that, I wanted to talk about it because we were talking about immune support in our class today, and we just finished, and that was one of the tips they brought up again, and this was something that has been really helpful for being out and about, using this on my hands. Again, it's a spray, and then using it in your mask, and it smells amazing. So one of the things, thanks Wally, one of the things that I'm super excited to share is we're going to do some classes next month about different sprays. So yes, right now you can use your On Guard sanitizing mist in your mask, but we're going to talk about making your own next month for some classes as well. So if you're interested in those, let me know, send me a PM. I'd be happy to get you connected. But that's my tip for you all. Get your mask, get your On Guard sanitizing mist. Super easy, super simple, and it is great for supporting you. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Bye everyone.